All right, we're going to do part 3 of our lab here in the exceptions. There's quite a few exceptions that you hopefully have an idea about, but we're going to look at these 3 chemicals here: isopropyl alcohol and water. Those 2 were looked at in part 1 of our lab. And then we have this substance, olive oil. So we have their structural formulas here, and we're looking at the comparison between them. But we would like to do this. We would like to determine which molecules contain H bonds up at the top, and then how many H bonds are in those molecules. So we're going to place and turn our hot plate on to the hottest temperature possible. We're going to take the substances. We have water, we have the oil, and then we have isopropyl alcohol. So when the hot plate is warm enough, we're going to look at the boiling point of these 3 substances. Again, we have the physical property of substances: boiling point, freezing point, melting point, evaporation. Those are all physical properties, and we can explain why one boils before another based upon the intermolecular forces. We place these 3 substances. Water should be here, then isopropyl, and then oil. We're going to look for boiling in the order of which they boil first. Hopefully you had a chance to identify the intermolecular force of hydrogen bonding. Each one has hydrogen bonding, but how many? And that would be able to determine the order of which it boils. So I'm going to place these on at the same time and watch and listen for boiling. Isopropyl alcohol is already starting to boil. For safety reasons, I'm going to take that off. So we have 2 remaining. Isopropyl alcohol boiled first. Oil is right here where the tongs are. And then now this is water. I can hear boiling about to start to happen. That is going to be from water. So water is about to boil next. Water is now vigorously boiling, and the oil is doing nothing.